One Forrest here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box of Topps Chrome WWE for Michael B. Whole box in view there. Thanks, Michael, and good luck. Right, let's do it. Miz have AJ Styles refractor and a Kane refractor. I'll turn these this way. Oh, turn me the wrong way. Is fantasy matches, China versus Beth Phoenix. The Miz refractor. Now, Brian, we don't do that. Let's stay away from politics. Pretty strict no politics policy. Bobby Fish refractor. Yeah, keeps us out of having to deal with all that stuff. Booker T refractor. That's a cool card. I wasn't super into wrestling, but he was like my favorite when I was younger. Kyle O'Reilly refractor. Keep trying to go at these the wrong way. Green auto 1099. Charlotte Flair. Nice. Green auto. Travis Banks. Sorry guys, I'm trying to keep the glare out of the cards, but also keep them close. I'll do a better job here. Fantasy matches, Shawn Michaels, Seth Rollins. This is Kofi Kingston. Refractor. Alrighty, there we go. It's Matt Riddle refractor. This is shocking. To 99. Sheamus defeated John Cena to win the WWE Championship. Cool card. To 99, 61 of 99. And Humberto Carrillo refractor. I think that's how you say that. I hope that's how you say that. Reigns, The Rock. Shocking wins. Miz defeats John Cena. Main event. WrestleMania 2011. Oh man, that's a lifetime ago at this point. I was just checking, it's not numbered. Big Show refractor. Nice. It's a 50. Auto Road Dogg Jesse James. That's 1 of 50. There you go, Michael. And a Murphy refractor. A Drake Maverick refractor. Shocking wins. Fandango wins big at WrestleMania. Brock Lesnar refractor. This is Jerry the King Lawler refractor. And Asuka That's how you, I think that's how I heard Matt say that, and I always trust Matt when it comes to WWE. Refractor there. Godfather refractor. Rock refractor. I know who that is. Charlotte Flair refractor. AJ Styles refractor. Fantasy matches, Goldberg, Braun Strowman. Charlotte Flair refractor. Eddie Guerrero and Andrade fantasy match. Sonya Deville refractor. There we go. This is green to 99. Sonya Deville. I hope I'm saying that right. Jey Uso refractor. Not a refractor. Shocking wins. Finn Balor beat Roman Reigns. And Naomi refractor. Molly Holly. Rusev. This is Ricochet, refractor. And Bronson Reed, refractor. That was a rookie card, Bronson Reed. Sorry if I missed any rookies. That insignia is quite different from the Team Sports ones. Johnny Gargano, refractor. No, not tonight, Bryce. So if you buy anything now, it'll get ripped tomorrow night after personals. Or, sorry, after group breaks. Shocking wins. Jeff Hardy defeated Triple H to win the Intercontinental Championship in 2001. And Damian Priest, refractor. Hey, you're welcome, Bryce. Last pack. Put that Alexa Bliss in there. I know she's kind of popular. Roman Reigns refractor. There you go, Michael. Thank you so much for your purchase. We'll get your card shipped out to you.